choose Type tool, and write your text. Choose Selection tool, make selection of your text, then right-click and create outline. Again right-click and ungroup. Go to Windows option, and select Gradient. Select black and white gradient, adjust the gradient. Move the alphabets closer. Make selection, right-click and reflect. Select horizontal and create a copy, move copy downwards. Select rectangle tool, and create a rectangle, select black and white gradient. Use gradient tool, set the gradient accordingly. Choose Selection tool, and select the shapes. Go to Windows option and select Transparency. Set the shadow as you like fit. That's it for today, hope you like it. Like this video and subscribe my channel.